Hello there, this is John D. Harvey of JDH Metalcraft, and I know that I've been conspicuously absent from the social medias for the last several weeks, if not months, and the reasons for that have been many. As some of you know, months ago I lost access to the shop where I had been forging. That was a space where I was renting from somebody else, and that no longer was viable. And after that, I started looking for space, but life got complex, as it does, and then things got even more complicated with a global pandemic, which didn't make finding shop space any easier. But I am happy to announce that there has been a solution. I have found space. I'm not going to be renting from somebody else. I'm actually setting up my own shop in East Providence, Rhode Island. So this is going to be the shop tour. No one has asked for one, but I'm giving you one anyway, and I hope you enjoy it. So I'm just going to switch the camera around. And this is a bit rude, but I'm actually starting back in the restroom area because it's the only place where I can do a reveal. That's the men's room. You can tell it's blue. And this is the ladies' room. You can tell it's pink. And it's also where the shop sink is located. So I'll probably be spending more time in this ladies' room than I should. But anyway, and out here we have the shop. And here it is, completely empty. And it is completely empty because I have no equipment. So because I've always forged out of other people's spaces and maker spaces, I don't have benches, tables, stands, chop saws, welders, plasma cutters, vices, nothing. I've got, as you can tell, a lot of space to get that stuff set up. 2,500 square feet, which is a lot more than what I was counting on. But yeah, so now I am on the hunt for all the equipment that I can scrounge, trade, buy, borrow, not steal. And yeah, so there's great lighting in the shop, some windows at the front, good overheads, lots of windows and lighting from the back, and a garage door through which I hope to load through some large equipment, including a power hammer and a bunch of other fun stuff eventually. That is the front door leading outside. That leads to the next rented space, and it's blocked off. So for tooling, I do have a few tongs. I just bought a Majestic gas forge, yet to unpack it. This is the 1882 135-pound Fisher Anvil that I've been forging on for the last couple of years. I love it. I'll continue to forge on it. But if you happen to have other anvils, I'll listen to all offers. A couple of beer kegs, old beer kegs, and I'm going to do something fun and creative with those. That is just a pile of scrap metal. And over here, you may have seen it in passing, the office spaces. Oh, and I've actually got really good electrics. That's the 220 3-phase plug. I may try to put in others in other parts of the shop, or I won't put them in. I'll have an electrician come in and do that. I am totally unqualified to do electrical work. This is my office spaces. So this is a large common area that I think when it was used was maybe a conference room. I have no idea. I intend to turn it into a leatherworking studio, repose, small metal work, that type of stuff. Back here, there's lots of room. There is a back office that I have no idea what I'm going to do. It might be where I do like packing and shipping. And a front office where I imagine I will set up a desk and have a computer and do admin work and other stuff, including editing YouTube videos. So Yes, I do intend to come back to the social medias. I intend to film and post what I'm doing to YouTube, to Instagram, to Facebook. I'm also probably going to start a Patreon page to help fund the different things that I need to get for the shop and show off to all of you. So that's pretty much it. You will be hearing more from me in the future, and in the meantime, I think this is going to be a big adventure, and I'm going to enjoy it, and I hope you enjoy it too. So, from me to you, thank you very much for your patience. Take care.